Hi, I'm Kirsty, property partner at CR Real Estate. I'm here outside this extended 3-bedroom end of terrace family home on Heathfield Close. Come with me, let's take a look inside. To the ground floor, you have a spacious living room, open plan with your dining area. Extra reception room to the rear of the home that could be used as a playroom, office or a downstairs bedroom, potentially making this into a 4-bedroom home. A modern fitted kitchen overlooking the well-presented rear garden and the downstairs WC. Heathfield Close is situated in a quiet cul-de-sac off of Heron Way in Waldersade, close to local amenities as well as on a bus route. You have Morrison's within walking distance, Maundine Primary School less than a stone's throw away, as well as easy access onto the M2 and M20 motorways. To the first floor, we have 3 double bedrooms, a family bathroom and plenty of storage. To the rear of the home, you have a well-designed private garden. You also have double gates to the side of the garden for access, as well as built-in storage to the side of the home. So if this home ticks your boxes, give me a call on the number below to arrange your viewing.